Here we are with our I Ching predictions for each month of 2026. The I Ching short is about April, which is the Hexagram 28, meaning great excess, which sounds like it should be amazing, right? Great excess. Yay, I'm gonna have all this excess and all this abundance. However, we have just come out of the lessons of small cattle. And what the collective energy was revealing were, where are all the areas you have frustrations, small misalignments in your life. They could be anything from appliances breaking, arguments, projects that are not working anymore. April's energy is same, but very different. The shift to great excess is even heavier than what we went through in March. It feels almost precarious. So March was asking us to stay calm and to look and to observe, watch, what are all the small annoyances that are in our life and whether or not we can move beyond them. April actually is looking at the structural flaws. Where is the foundation broken or weak and can no longer be ignored? So this is going to feel and be not about the little things anymore. There is something essential in a behavior, in a practice, in a mindset, in an approach that is unsound. This month is really, really important. You're going to learn how to handle, and you're going to have exposure to all the areas where things are unsound currently in your life. So this could show up in many different ways. It could be something in the community. It could literally be in a physical building, like something unsound in a community center or a house or something. It could be your health. It could be a relationship or a job. Whatever it is that's going on, the situation is precarious. I keep saying that because the I Ching kept saying that. It was like on repeat over and over and over again. The situation is precarious. Again, this is not to scare or terrify anyone. It's just really, we need to see this clearly. An indicator that things need to be thought through and to work through and to be healed, nurtured, and whatever it is. So the cracks of your foundation in whatever it is, the health, the relationship, the community, are going to be showing. You may notice that the splits are occurring. Nothing has collapsed, and it probably won't collapse, but the danger is there, and that's what it's showing you. It's showing you so you have a moment to correct, to realign, to transfer, so that you don't have to actually worry in the long run. This is so important, to really work with whatever foundation that you find that is misaligned in your life. You want to work on it, and you want to create a strong foundation. You want to rebuild, you want to fix in whatever way. The reason that's so important is because in May, we move towards the energy that's called Prevailing, and it is expansive. It is that you will be fully expanded, you will have influence, you will have so many new opportunities. But if your foundation is not solid, if you have not done the work of April with great excess, May's energy of prevailing could create some problems for you. But if you are doing the work to fix your foundations wherever they are out of alignment, then it's going to be incredible. Your May is going to be epic. The closing thoughts for April. Great excess is teaching us to pay attention to flaws, to cracks, and to inherent instability in our lives in the different areas: career, health, family, community, etc. It asks us to withdraw before things collapse, to trust our intuition, and to recognize that what appears within reach may no longer actually be ours to claim. This is deep wisdom. So you step away from what is unsound, even if it was something like a business that you were building from scratch. As soon as you realize it's unsound, let it go. Avoid overextension and invest your life force, your life energy into whatever will nourish and sustain you. This is the information that we are receiving in April. You will know that we're moving towards the prevailing energy of May, when the tension of instability begins to give way to that sense of expansion I was talking about earlier, where things become easily possible, where you are noticing more openness in relationships, a greater willingness to collaborate. Momentum is building around you in all your different projects. Everything is feeling aligned. So, April pressed you to step away from things that are no longer working, to let go and to release. May invites you to step forward, to know that you can successfully build on any of the rock solid foundations that you worked on in April. Isn't it amazing how interconnected all of this is? We couldn't have gotten to May and April without the work that we did in January and February. And it keeps going on. Have a good April. Release all that stuff. It's not needed, not necessary. So we can expand together in all the potential ways in May. I'm so excited to meet this energy with you. Thank you for watching Sanctum with Eve. Please leave any questions or comments below in the comment section. I will see you in the next video.